So tell me, why do we hustle so hard just to feel stuck? You go to college, get that dream job, pay rent, scroll social media, and somehow you still don't feel free. You're doing everything right, but something feels off. Like life wasn't supposed to be this exhausting. We were raised believing that hard work and a college degree equals success. But now, even with a full-time job, you're stressed about rent, bills, and that growing student debt. The girl boss dream looked shiny online, but nobody told us how to actually build it. Society told us to chase stability, not wealth. To play it safe, not powerful. But now, safe doesn't even feel safe anymore. Rent keeps rising, inflation's wild, and somehow freedom feels like a luxury only influencers can afford. If nothing changes, you'll wake up 10 years later, still tired, still chasing enough. Doing nothing is choosing comfort over power. So maybe it's time to dream bigger, not just about surviving, but truly living rich on your own terms. Hey, beautiful people, I'm Sophia, and welcome back to Sophia Cash Channel, where we're helping you glow up financially. Hit that subscribe button, join our cash crew, and let's rewrite what being a financially free woman looks like. Quick disclaimer: everything here is for educational purposes only, no financial advice, just real talk. We'll break down how Gen Z to women can start building real wealth, not just savings. You'll learn how to design a rich life, emotionally, financially, and socially. Here's the truth: wealth doesn't start with your paycheck, it starts with how you think. You can work 10 jobs and still feel broke if your mindset is stuck on survival. But when you start thinking like an owner, not an employee, everything changes. Most of us were taught saving is the only way to be secure. But rich women, they play a different game. They don't just save money, they own things that grow in value. Stocks, businesses, real estate. That's the mindset shift. Imagine this: your money working for you, even while you sleep. You've got investments, side hustles, and freedom to say no to things that drain you. That's not a fantasy. That's what happens when you start owning your financial story. Here's the pitfall: you can budget forever and still stay stuck. The real shift? Stop cutting lattes and start building assets. Like Melanie Perkins, the CEO of Canva, said, "The biggest risk is not taking one." Okay, bestie, let's be real. Learning how money actually works. That's the real power move. Once you get the basics: budgeting, investing, credit, taxes, you stop stressing and start building. It's like unlocking the cheat code to adulting with confidence. Did you know 4 out of 5 Gen Z adults wish they learned personal finance in school? Yeah, we all got algebra, but never learned how to budget for rent or invest. Crazy, right? Imagine this: you manage your cash flow like a boss, your bills are paid, no more debt, and you're investing every month. That's financial peace, babe. You're not chasing money anymore. It's working for you. The biggest trap? Thinking you'll learn about money later. Every year you wait, you lose the chance to grow it. Remember what Ben Franklin said: an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Let's be real, depending on one paycheck is like standing on one leg, waiting to fall. Our parents told us to get a stable job, but in today's world, that's just not enough. Financial freedom starts when you stop relying on one source and start building your own. So let's flip the script, start building extra income streams. Whether it's freelancing your creative skills, launching a digital product, or investing in something long-term, it's all about making your money move while you sleep. Most millionaires don't have one job. They have 7 streams of income. It's not about luck, it's about creating options. The more doors you open, the more freedom you earn. A lot of people say side hustles are too hard, but girl, you're already working hard. Why not work smart? Like Robert Kiyosaki said, don't work for money, make money work for you. That's your real power move. Investing is literally your money's way of working while you chill. Think about it. While you're sleeping, traveling, or sipping coffee, your money can still grow. That's how rich women build freedom, not just paychecks. Let's do some math magic. If you invest just $200 a month starting at 25, you could have over $400,000 by 55. That's not luck. That's compound interest working like your quiet money engine. Imagine watching your portfolio grow while you're on a beach trip, brunching with your girls, or binge-watching Netflix. That's what financial peace looks like. It's freedom with zero guilt. Most people wait to invest until they make more. But the truth is, you start small, you learn, and compound interest does the rest. Like Buffett said, someone sits in the shade today because someone planted a tree long ago. Being rich isn't just about the number in your bank account, it's about how you live every single day. When you start showing up like the woman you dream of becoming, your habits quietly begin to shape your future. It's a daily practice, not a finish line. Here's the thing, successful women don't just dream, they plan. Studies show people who journal and budget weekly are 42% more likely to hit their money goals. Imagine sitting with your laptop, candlelit, journaling your vision, because you're not just tracking numbers, you're tracking your transformation. Picture your new routine: morning coffee while reviewing your goals, a monthly money date with yourself, and saying no to habits that drain your energy. You're not just managing money, you're creating peace, power, and purpose. Don't let comparison steal your joy. Your quiet growth is your biggest flex. Success is loving who you are, what you do, and how you do it. Like Maya Angelou said, success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. You ever noticed how money vibes can totally change your relationships? Like, the energy shifts when bills, gifts, or who's paying comes up. Learning to talk about money confidently is the real glow-up move for your emotional peace and your wallet. Did you know 1 in 3 women avoids money talks because of fear or shame? But honestly, the power move is breaking that silence. When you open up, you not only protect your finances, you attract healthier friendships and love. Picture this: you're dating without stressing about who pays. Or you're vibing with your besties, setting shared goals without the drama. That's financial freedom in relationships. Honest convos, mutual respect, and zero weirdness. Avoiding money talks doesn't protect you, it costs you. Boundaries aren't cold, they're clarity. Remember, you teach people how to treat you by what you allow. So speak up, protect your peace, and keep your standards high. Real wealth isn't just money, it's freedom, peace, and purpose. It's waking up excited for your day and feeling proud of the life you've built. It's living in alignment with what truly lights you up inside. Everyone's version of rich looks different. Maybe it's traveling the world, having creative freedom, or giving back to your community. The point is, you get to define it for yourself. Studies show people who spend on what they value feel 30% happier. It's not about how much you have, it's how aligned your money is with your soul. Spend on what feels like joy, not pressure. Stop chasing someone else's version of success. The richest life is the one you design yourself, full of adventure, purpose, and peace. Because if you don't build your dream, someone else will hire you to build theirs. We've talked about shift your mindset, learn money basics, build multiple incomes, invest early, live intentionally. Your dream life isn't waiting for permission, it's waiting for action. You don't have to be born rich to live rich. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sophia Cash. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sophia Cash. If this hit home, drop your thoughts in the comments. What does a rich life mean to you? You deserve abundance, not survival. Keep dreaming bigger, because your rich life starts now. Sophia Cash, helping you glow up financially.